Here is the Canon Autoboy S, overall conditions. Okay, so here is the battery compartment. Just use a coin or something to open it. Okay, and using 2 CR123 battery, so we just like put accordingly and press it, push it in. Then we just use the coin to close it. Make sure you close properly lah. Okay. Next thing is to put here to open the back cover. Inside will be like this. Then here's the film. About the film, we need to slide into this compartment to make sure that the motor have fit into the center part of the canister. Okay, like that. Then the film tip, we just put until here will do. Make sure you have pushed the film up, fully up lah. If not, you cannot close the battery door. Sorry, the back cover. Then we just close it. Next, turn here to auto. It will auto load. Okay, here show figure 1, which means that now you can start shooting. Here is the zoom in, zoom out. Here is the shutter. Here is the viewfinder. You look into the viewfinder, you'll find out at the center point there, got the bracket. So you just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus. Then half press. Wait for a while. Okay, if you're blinking like this, you still can fire the shutter. Just the outcome have a higher chances that it's out of focus. So you must make sure that it's light up like this. It doesn't blink, means that it's okay. Okay. Then here's like different kind of shooting mode lah. But for my recommendation, I will recommend you just put it at auto will do. Yeah. Then this one spot is like for the spot program, which is usually for like it will be have a narrow focus range, so it designed for like bad light situation lah. Okay. Then we put here down. Here's the timer. Same. Half press. Aim to the object that you want to focus, half press. If it doesn't blink, click it. Then here will show you like light up, which means that the timer has started counting already. It took around 10 seconds like that. Okay. Then next, click again to off it. Then this one is the flash function. Now it's like with the red eye reduction. Click again. This one is without. And for my past experience lah, I feel that there's no difference with like red eye reduction or without red eye reduction. This one is force flash. No matter what kind of environment, it will trigger the flash. This one is off. Then this one is like night mode, red eye reduction. Yeah, like that. Then about the date, you can adjust by yourself, like different kind of format, or you can switch to the caption option. This one is Japanese word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then E1 English word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The caption, it will be like congratulations, I love you, like happy birthday, all these things. Yeah. Then we change to the date. Okay. If you want to adjust the date, wait, I close it first. Okay. Then we just click the select first. Yeah. When we click select, this have blinking. Blink means that it's able for us to change it. So this one is the year. Okay. Then next, the center one is the month. Then this one is the date. Okay, like that. Or you can switch like different kind of format lah, for the date in printing lah. Okay, this one is the month, date, year. Date, month, year, and the date and the time. You can also adjust the time by yourself. Like that. Or you don't want, just click again like that. Means that it won't appear any printing inside your outcome. Yeah. And here is the panorama, but for my recommendation, I wouldn't recommend you because it's like just crop the top and the bottom, so you just ignore it, will do. And when you should finish the film, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using, and hope you enjoyed.